Hey everyone, welcome back to Aftershoot Academy. Today, we're diving into one of the most time-saving features we've ever introduced, the one-click cull and edit feature. This is a game changer for photographers who want to streamline their workflow, combining both culling and editing into a workflow which for the first time allows you to set and forget the settings you'd like for your culls. Let's walk through the steps and how it works. To get started, you'll first create a new album. From the home screen, click on New Album, and this will take you directly to the import screen. Here, you can import your photos into the album. Once your photos are uploaded, you'll notice a banner on the right side that says One-Click Cull and Edit. Click on Try Now, and this will activate the one-click editing and culling workflow. Note that the banner only appears once you've completed your first cull and edit, so if you can't see it, go ahead and complete your first cull and edit, and then it'll appear on your next project. Next, you'll be taken to a pop-up window with a progress indicator on the left showing two stages, Culling Preferences and Editing Preferences. For culling, we made it super simple with two AI-powered modes. Aftershoot AI Culling. This mode automatically does the heavy lifting for you, and then Customized AI Culling. This mode allows you to tweak specific preferences. Within both of these options, you can customize the session type, change star and color ratings, and even choose to override existing color preferences. If you plan to use the same preferences in future sessions, there's an option to save them for next time. This same feature is available in the edits as well. Once you've selected your preferences, hit Next Step. If you choose Extreme Cull here, your highlights will be changed to maybes and your cull will be a little different. For more information, check out the video on Extreme Culling. Now it's time to set up your editing preferences. In this screen, you can choose from any profiles you've already set up in your account or from the marketplace profiles. You can adjust things like the color profile, cropping, straightening options, and masking. And we've also optimized the process so that any filters that were used during culling, like selections for highlights, are retained during the editing phase. If you need to go back to adjust your culling preferences, there's a navigation option for that as well. But for now, once you're happy with the settings, proceed to the summary screen. The summary screen provides an overview of all your selections. You'll see the details like the type of session or shoot, the number of photos selected for culling, a card view of your editing preferences, including camera settings, filters, and crop and straighten options. If you spot anything you want to change, you can either redo all the steps or just edit specific settings using the edit icons next to each section. Once you're ready, click Confirm to initiate the one-click process. Now comes the magic. Once you confirm, the one-click process starts with culling first, followed by editing. You'll see a dynamic header on the progress banner, changing from cull in progress to edit in progress, and finally to cull and edit completed once both steps are done. If an error happens during any of these steps, don't worry. You'll get a pop-up with options to either contact support, restart the process, or cancel it altogether. Once everything is completed, you'll have the option to review your photos or in any of your usual apps. And that's it. With just one click, you've culled and edited your entire set of photos, saving hours of work. No more jumping between steps or adjusting settings multiple times. It's fast, it's easy, and it's designed to make your workflow as smooth as possible. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you need any help, we're here for you. See you in the next video.